So the family's away out. I'm meant to be decorating. I'm meant to be wallpapering this and painting this and sanding everything down, but look at this. It is too nice of a day to be stuck in the house. So the idea is I'm going to go for a coffee, and at the same time I did get something for the helmet for the GoPro. I got the DJI mount, so this will allow me to shut the visor properly. I don't want to go for anything adhesive that you stick onto the helmet, just in case I change my bike, I get a different helmet, and then this will be in mint condition, I could sell it again. But anyway, let's go for the coffee. Right, I think I've definitely made the right decision here, and I'm just hoping, so I'm thinking we'll go to Moffet. I've got a mate that owns a cafe in Moffet, so we'll go there. I'm just hoping that it's dry over there. I'm just looking at the clouds. Yeah, we should be okay. So I think we should just cue the music. Enjoy. And welcome to Moffet. It's a nice place, but like, there's a house over here that's got like a Spitfire in his garden. Let me see if I can get a shot of it. Oh, you can just see the top. No, you can just see the propeller. How cool would that be, have a Spitfire in your garden? Saying that, it's bad enough that I've got a motorbike in my garden because I got no work done. Oh yeah, I forgot. You're wider than me. Okay, well at that moment I was a wee bit too close to that car, and all I can hear is my instructor's voice in my head shouting at me. Maybe a few swear words in there as well. Those were the days. Whee! Right, here we go. Green frog. Yeah, look what he's got! It just always reminds me of the Family Guy episode for that.
Flailing tube man, wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube.
That's too funny. I bet the electricity bill on it's extortionate. Hello? Not bad. Alright, that was a nice coffee, so it was. Nice wee catch up, but I need to get back before the missus gets home and then pretend that I've actually done something. But the green fellow there, it's called Wavy Davy. I can see why. Right, let's go. There we go. Shh. No being away. I wonder if you'll notice. It's a bit dirty, it'll need washed. Anyway, I need to get some wallpaper on.